emergency escort of violent patients. We are proud that our escort team, having 3 escort vans with emergency medicines, oxygen, etc. And all the members of our team are specifically strong and qualified paramedical boys. Gopal Paik, Bhogirath Paik, Karno Maiti, Indrajit Mondal, 3 other women, namely Krishna, Shefali Bose and Puravi. We have day and night services. Irrespective of time and weather, our team can visit in any emergency service throughout whole India, from Gujarat to North Bengal, Assam, Tripura, etc. If you need a medical person, we can also provide.